Right now, things may feel overwhelming. You might have lost your job, be going through a painful divorce, or simply feel stuck. The world may seem cold, and there may be moments when you wonder if there's any way out. This pain might come from grief, perhaps the loss of someone dear, or it could be the relentless battle of sickness or the trauma of war. That pain is real, and it's hard when life throws us into such darkness. But know this, you are not alone in this. Right now, you're in the middle of a journey, but this moment doesn't define you. It's just one chapter. Strength lies in your ability to rise and turn the page. The pain you're feeling might seem endless. The weight of loss, the burden of illness, or the scars of war. These struggles can feel like they're swallowing you whole, but this struggle, the pain you're carrying, is not the end of your story. It is a part of your story, but it does not define your future. Fear, grief, and trauma may try to hold you back, but that's not the end. You still have the power to act, to move, and to rise above it. Even in your darkest moments, the strength to heal, rebuild, and rise again is still within you. Things feel tough right now, but remember, hope has not left you. Even if it feels like it's been dashed, it can be found again. Hope is something that can be chosen, even in the hardest of times. And when thinking about hope, consider someone like Nelson Mandela, who faced 27 years of imprisonment. Despite it all, he never lost hope. He said, "It always seems impossible until it's done. Worry won't change your circumstances, but it can take away the joy of today. Don't let it steal your peace. Focus on what you can do now. There's no rush. It's okay to move slowly right now. The most important thing is to keep moving, even if it's just one small step at a time. This journey, though hard, is yours, and you have the strength to move through it. Strength and growth come through continuous effort and struggle. Even in the darkest moments, you are growing stronger. Every challenge, every tear, every moment of pain is leading to a new version of yourself, one that is more resilient and more capable than before. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong, said Mahatma Gandhi. It takes strength, not weakness, to forgive. Your strength is in your ability to move forward, to heal, and to embrace change. You've already endured so much. Yet, here you are, still standing, still fighting. That's your strength. And now, that strength can fuel the next step. You've got this. This moment, as difficult as it is, can be the starting point of something new. You have the power to decide what happens next. No matter how much you've been hurt or how much you've lost, you still have control over your future. The power to heal is within you, and that journey starts today. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Zig Ziglar said this: the transformation that comes from facing challenges and achieving your goal is more valuable than the results themselves. And today, you are transforming. You can rise above this. You can start fresh. You can embrace change. You have the power to decide. Now, the choice is yours. It's hard to see it now, but change is still possible. While it may feel like you can't take big leaps today, each small step toward healing is progress. Every small decision now brings you closer to a life of peace and fulfillment. The path ahead might be unclear, but it's not the end. No matter what you've been through, you have the power to heal, to rise, and to find peace again. It's about taking it one day at a time. Yesterday is not ours to recover, but tomorrow is ours to win or lose. This is your time to act. Today, you begin to reclaim your power. The future belongs to those who take bold steps, as Elon Musk reminds us. Today is your chance to step into that future. Think about it. You've made it this far, and you can make it even further. Every day is an opportunity to take one more step toward the life you want, the future you control. The struggles you faced are not in vain. They are building you into the person you are meant to be. Live life to the fullest and focus on the positive. As John F. Kennedy said, forgive your enemies, but never forget their names. It's important to rise above negativity, but never forget the lessons learned from those experiences. You are stronger now because of everything you faced. We never taste happiness in perfection. Our most fortunate successes are mixed with sadness. But that's part of the journey. It's those ups and downs that make us who we are. And each moment has made you a stronger version of yourself. Now is your time to act. You've endured the hardest moments, and you're still here. That strength is the key to moving forward. Don't wait any longer. Take action now. This is your moment. This is your time to shine. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Keep going. It's not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you get back up. And each time you get back up, you grow stronger. You may not see it now, but your dreams are still possible. Your hope is still alive. It may not feel like it right now, but you are worthy of peace, joy, and the life you deserve. The pain you feel will not last forever. It may be a part of your story, but it doesn't define you. Today is the day you start walking toward the life that awaits you. And I believe in your strength to get there.